Welcome to this instructional video on how to solve a single or double inequality. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality. Magnitude 6 is less than or equal to 2 times the quantity x minus 5, which is also less than 7. We will be going step by step to find the solution, and if the inequality is a double one, we will provide the answer in interval notation form. So let's get started with solving this inequality. Step 1. To solve the double inequality, minus 6 less than or equal to 2 times open x minus 5 close less than 7, we need to isolate the variable x in the middle part of the inequality. First, let's simplify the expression inside the inequality. The expression 2 times open x minus 5 close involves distribution. This means we need to multiply 2 by x and 2 by minus 5. So 2 times x gives us 2x, and 2 times minus 5 gives us minus 10. Now, our inequality becomes minus 6 less than or equal to 2x minus 10 less than 7. In this step, we distributed the number 2 to both the x and the minus 5 inside the original expression to simplify it. This helps us get closer to isolating the variable x. Remember, distribution is just a way of simplifying expressions by multiplying each term inside the expression by the number outside. Step 2. Now that we have the simplified inequality minus 6 less than or equal to 2x minus 10 less than 7, we need to continue isolating the x variable in the middle part of the inequality. Next, let's get rid of the minus 10 by adding 10 to all three parts of the inequality. When we add 10 to minus 6, we get 4. When we add 10 to 2x minus 10, only the 10 goes away, leaving us with 2x. When we add 10 to 7, we get 17. So now our inequality is 4 less than or equal to 2x less than 17. In this step, we added 10 to each part of the inequality. This helps move us closer to isolating the variable x because it eliminates the minus 10 from the middle expression. Remember, whatever we do to one part of the inequality, we must do to all parts to maintain the balance and fairness of the equation. Step 3. Our current inequality is 4 less than or equal to 2x less than 17. Now we need to isolate the x variable completely. To do this, we will divide every part of the inequality by 2. When we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. When we divide 2x by 2, the 2's cancel out, leaving us with just x. When we divide 17 by 2, we get 17 over 2. So now the inequality is 2 less than or equal to x less than 17 over 2. In this step, we divided every part of the inequality by 2 to isolate the x variable. This completes our solution. The inequality 2 less than or equal to x less than 17 over 2 tells us the range of values x can take. Since this is a double inequality, we can also express the answer in interval notation. The solution in interval notation is open bracket 2, 17 over 2 close bracket. This tells us that x can be any value from 2 to 17 over 2, including 2, but not including 17 over 2. And that's how we solve and express the double inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.